DROID came to global stage with an ambition to redefine the wet wipes converting technology traditionally engineered and made in Asia. Daily routine at DROID is all about delivering our commitment to developing high-performance wet wipes machines with precision processing techniques, highly selective components, stringent quality control, and responsive service teams every step of the way, which ultimately ensures each DROID customer could benefit from production reliability, short downtimes, and an output improvement in wet wipes manufacturing. Here are two unique offerings that big and small wet wipes manufacturers have appreciated. Turnkey wet wipes production expertise such as GMP compliant clean room design and factory plan. DROID opened its door with the goal to make the wet wipes manufacturing an easier task. We spent years working with end users in the wet wipes manufacturing bases, listening to both new and experienced wet wipes converters, and learning about the key to success in making good wipes. High-performance wet wipes machines with quick changeovers and minimized unit manufacturing cost, ideal for multi-purpose needs. Up to now, DROID have set up 4 offices and after-sales service centers in place. DROID Headquarter, DROID India, DROID Germany, DROID Czech Republic. DROID's happy customers are spreading happiness around the globe in over 20 countries including Australia, Germany, USA, India, Thailand, etc. With a proven track record of global customer success, DROID is on the way to become a worldwide trusted brand for high-performance wet wipes machines. Opt for DROID, make your own wet wipes cheaper and faster.